everybody, I came to the mountain. I'm surrounded by beautiful nature, lot of oxygen. I'm so busy. Inhale, exhale. Right next to me is a creek. I love the sound of water running down the creek. Wherever I go, I'm with you guys. Today, I'm going to show you super easy cookies. In Korean, 달고나 cookie. I'm going to show you really quick and Korean treat using only 2 ingredients, sugar and baking soda. But anyway, I need to add some luxury. Luxury is in the mountain. What is a luxury? It's going to be some little nuts. So let's go together. To make this cookie, I'm using the special gadget. It's just look like a ladle and it's made with the copper. So quickly it's going to be heated. But you guys can use just a stainless steel ladle. I'm going to measure 2 tablespoons white sugar. Everything has to be measured first. 1, 2 tablespoons white sugar. So this is my quarter teaspoon baking soda. I'll just put it here. And then this some nuts. But if you don't have, just skip it. It shouldn't be burnt. You have to control the fire like this. Melt thoroughly over low heat. You see, all just melted nicely. Add baking soda. Just stir like this. Up. Okay. I'm going to put this. See how easy it is. A good tip is that just always a low heat. Follow the measurement. 2 tablespoons white sugar and quarter teaspoon baking soda. That's it. This is my Korean traditional kind of, some fun cooking. Maybe you guys are wondering, oh, what happened to this? How can we wash this? No problem. You just soak in cold water, maybe 30 minutes, and then it's gone. Nicely gone. I need to cool down this around 10 minutes. 10 minutes after, it's going to be fluffy. And first you saw that really like a mountain, but little go down, but still fluffy. This is parchment paper. Okay, here you go. This is nuts. Let's break. Oh, nice. It's very crispy, and once I just bite this, it's shattered in my mouth. It's like a honeycomb. Oh, oh, it is shattered. So today I showed you how to make Korean treat. So easy recipe. 달고나 cookie. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.